Welcome to this mindfulness meditation, designed to help you cultivate awareness and bring a sense of calm to your daily life. Thank you for choosing to take this time for yourself, to pause, and to reconnect with the present moment. Through this guided meditation, you'll learn simple yet powerful practices that can help you become more mindful, allowing you to approach each day with clarity and peace. Before we begin, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, where your body feels supported and at ease. Close your eyes, and when you're ready, let's begin. We'll start this mindfulness practice by centering ourselves with the breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand as they fill with air. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress you may be carrying. Inhale deeply again, drawing in peace and relaxation. And as you exhale, release any tightness or discomfort in your body. One more time, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And exhale slowly, letting go of any lingering thoughts or worries. Now, let your breath find its natural rhythm. Simply observe the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen as you breathe. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more centered, more grounded in the present moment. As you continue to focus on your breath, allow any distractions to gently fade away. Bring your full attention to the here and now, to this moment of stillness and calm. With your breath now centered, let's move into a mindful body scan, a practice that will help you connect with your body and release any remaining tension. Start by bringing your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light gently touching the crown of your head, slowly spreading down through your scalp, relaxing every muscle it touches. Feel this light moving down to your forehead, smoothing out any lines of tension, and then to your temples, softening the muscles around your eyes. Allow your eyelids to feel heavy, and let your eyes rest deeply. As the light continues to move down, notice it spreading across your cheeks, relaxing your jaw. If you find your jaw is clenched, take a moment to release it, letting your mouth relax naturally. Now, bring your attention to your neck and shoulders. Imagine the warm light spreading down, soothing your neck muscles, and gently easing any tension in your shoulders. With your next exhale, allow your shoulders to drop even further, feeling the weight of your body being fully supported. Let the light continue down through your arms, relaxing your biceps, elbows, forearms, all the way down to your hands and fingers. Feel your arms becoming heavy, completely relaxed. As the light moves down through your torso, feel it soothing your chest, allowing your breath to flow even more easily. Let it move down through your abdomen, releasing any tightness, and letting your belly be soft and relaxed. Now, Feel the light spreading down through your hips and pelvis, relaxing every muscle as it flows. Let your hips sink deeply, releasing any tension. Bring your awareness to your legs now, as the light moves down through your thighs, knees, calves, and all the way to your ankles. Feel your legs becoming heavy and fully relaxed. Finally, bring your attention to your feet and toes. Wiggle them gently, and then let them rest, feeling the warm light pulling at your feet, grounding you, and connecting you to the earth. Your entire body is now relaxed, calm, and fully present. You are here, in this moment, safe and at peace. Now that your body is fully relaxed, imagine yourself sitting in a peaceful garden. The air is fresh and crisp, filled with the scent of blooming flowers. The sun is warm on your skin, and you can hear the gentle rustling of leaves as a soft breeze moves through the trees. As you sit here, notice the vibrant colors around you, the rich greens of the grass, the bright petals of the flowers, the clear blue sky above. Each detail is vivid and alive, and you feel completely connected to this serene environment. Now, focus on the sound of birds singing softly in the distance, their melodies calming and soothing. The gentle flow of a nearby stream adds a peaceful rhythm to the scene, its waters sparkling in the sunlight. Feel the earth beneath you, solid and supportive. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more rooted, more grounded in this peaceful place. Know that you can return to this garden of calm and tranquility whenever you need to. Take a moment to simply be here, in this garden of your mind, fully present, fully aware. Before we close our practice, let's affirm the mindful awareness we've cultivated today. Silently repeat each affirmation to yourself, or simply listen and let the words resonate within you. I am calm, centered, and fully present in each moment. I approach my day with clarity, peace, and mindfulness. I release all distractions and focus on what truly matters. I trust in the process of life, embracing each moment as it comes. I carry this sense of calm and awareness with me, wherever I go. Feel the truth of these affirmations within you. Know that by repeating these statements, you are setting a powerful intention for a mindful, peaceful day ahead. As we come to the end of this mindfulness meditation, let's gently bring our awareness back to the present moment. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, slowly begin to notice the sensations around you, the feeling of the surface supporting you, the sounds in your environment, and the temperature of the air on your skin. If your eyes have been closed, you can slowly open them, allowing the light to gently enter your awareness. Take a moment to observe your surroundings, noticing the colors, shapes, and textures around you with a fresh perspective. As you transition back into your day, carry with you the sense of calm, presence, and awareness that you've cultivated during this meditation. Remember, mindfulness isn't just something you practice during meditation. It's a way of living, a way of being present in every moment. Take one last deep breath, filling your lungs with air, and as you exhale, set an intention to move forward with mindfulness and peace in your heart. Know that you can return to this practice whenever you need to recenter and reconnect with yourself. Thank you for being here today and for taking this time to nurture your mind and spirit. Thank you for joining me in this mindfulness meditation. As you go about your day, remember that mindfulness is always available to you. It's as simple as bringing your attention to your breath, your body, or your surroundings, and allowing yourself to be fully present. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. May your day be filled with peace, clarity, and mindful presence. Until next time, take care and be mindful.